In this short take, I will show you the N4V for WebI Apply Filters button. For those of you who may not be aware of our feature set, I wanted to quickly review the N4V solution for SAP BusinessObjects Web Intelligence. N4V Widgets integrates new data visualization components and navigation features, enabling advanced dashboarding and web intelligence. N4V Maps allows the integration of offline and online maps and custom plans directly into web intelligence. N4V Analysis is a powerful pivot table with integrated charting for in-depth data exploration. And N4V Publisher is designed for distributing information outside of the BusinessObjects platform. The Apply Filters widget is a navigation widget introduced in N4V for WebI 2025.2. It is not available in previous versions. It provides a smooth, fluid experience when updating multiple navigation filters, as none are applied until the button is pressed. I've created a simple dashboard using the multi-drill, Google Map, and timeline widgets to analyze e-fashion results. Each of the widgets are interactive. I can use the drill bar to drill down from the trousers line to the party pants category. I can zoom in on the Google Map, and I can use the timeline to focus in on a particular time period or scroll through my results. I can also use the navigation widgets to filter the data. On-screen navigation widgets are mapped to off-screen input controls, which then filter the data in the cubes. But each time I set a filter, there is a momentary flicker as each filter is applied. And this is why the Apply Filter button was created. The Apply Filter button gives dashboard users the flexibility to set all of the filters simultaneously with one subtle flicker when the Apply Filters button is eventually clicked. In this video, I'll show you how to add the Apply Filters button to an existing N4V for WebI dashboard. Now I will add an Apply Filters button to my dashboard and show how to set it up. Configuring the Apply Filters button is very similar to configuring the Reset button, which is covered in one of our other videos. Like the Reset button, the Apply Filters button requires a map dimension to function. I could use an existing low cardinality dimension, but I prefer to create a variable specifically for mapping to the button. The dimension is otherwise unused, so I'll click on the Add Variable button on the main panel and call the new dimension variable nav apply filters. Okay, next I will add the widget to the canvas, and so you'll find the Apply Filters widget in the N4V navigation category. And I'm going to place it just to the left of the Reset button. Okay, so I need to apply the mapping for the variable that I created. I'm also going to rename the widget. And I'm going to resize it to be the same size as the Reset button. Notice that N4V for WebI is coaching me to the next step. All right. Now I'm ready to set the extended parameters, starting with the global parameters. So the Apply Filters button has all the global parameters other widgets do, but I'll forgo setting a title and a subtitle instead relying on the text on the face of the button instead. Since I'm using a slightly tinted background color for my dashboard, I will set the Apply Filters button background to transparent. And next I'll set options so the button colors match the theme of my dashboard. So just like my reset button, I'm using N4V blue, and I'm going to use orange as the accent color. Okay, great. So that's all that's needed to set up the Apply Filters button. And now I need to set a new option available on all the navigation widgets, instructing them to wait for the Apply Filter button to be clicked. Okay, I'm going to start with the radio button and go to its extended parameters. So assuming no other changes are needed, I'm going to go directly to its control section. And there you'll see right at the top a new option for when to apply the section. So, selection. So instead of immediately, now I want to flip it over and say to do it later with the apply filter. That's all there is to it. Okay, I need to do the same modification to the remaining navigation widgets, the two drop-down lists. Okay, so once I'll go in, I'll go into their controls. And then lastly, for the city-state drop-down. All right, let's get ready to test. So I'm going to go up to the main menu and choose Custom Element Interactions from the Display submenu. And this is going to allow me to interact with the dashboard like a user. Okay, so notice that I selected the year and nothing happened. And I'm going to select the line, nothing happens. And I'm going to select the state and nothing happens. And that's actually good because now I'm going to click on the Apply Filters button. And so with one gesture and one flicker, I've deferred the rendering of the dashboard until all the filters are set the way that I want to. So it just makes for a more responsive dashboard. So the Apply Filters button is one of over 60 widgets available in N4V for WebI, and it was introduced in version 2025.2 and higher. These beautiful interactive widgets deliver features that are simply unattainable with Web Intelligence alone. So we encourage you to visit our homepage at needforviz.com, where you can access a fully interactive demonstration of the complete offering. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your coworkers, key stakeholders, and executive sponsors. Be sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. You can also follow Need for Viz on LinkedIn and X.